Hello guys, welcome back. So lately guys I've been getting emails, messages and DMs, direct messages literally telling me to make video about a platform or how you can actually make money literally on the online space without actually investment and without ease and just like a side hustle ASAP, like a very side fast something. So I wouldn't, this video is not really scripted down. I didn't really write anything down. I will just be going to my phone, typing right now, as in not literally not going to my Google Chrome right now to show you guys different platforms which can actually use zero or no capital, very little or no capital to actually start up, a business for yourself, start up and start getting like little cash for yourself every single day, even to cover your data plan, cash, so on so forth. A minimum of 500 naira to like 5,000 to even 10,000 naira every single day, right now, right here. So, with that being said, guys, without any further ado, if you're new here, you're welcome. And to my 20 subscribers, welcome back. Please like this video and subscribe if you're new here. And to my old subscribers too, thank you very much. And also please help me to hit the like button. Also, it helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. And let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. So first of all, guys, please listen to me. I won't actually be even logging into my accounts on this platform. I will just be showing you guys briefly how you can actually sign up on these platforms and the literal platform, so you can see for yourself and make money for yourself. The first and the very easiest one on my list is actually Naira Workers. Now you all know about Naira Workers, and literally if I go to I think I'm actually logged in on my Naira Workers. Okay, let's just show you guys. As you can see, I have 500 Naira and on my Naira Workers. And if I go to perform simple tax, I've literally withdrawn from all these platforms. I don't literally say something which I don't do. Like you get 14 Naira, 8 Naira, 7 Naira, 7 Naira, and literally you accumulate them every single day. You can get up to 10,000 Naira if you do all these platforms. I'm literally gonna be showing you guys right now. So a link is gonna be in the description box below. Just check it out for yourself, and also for you to actually sign up. This is the sign up space. You just click on first name. You fill in your first name, last name, username. You fill in your gender, either male or female, email address, also referral. You just put DBOSS 001, I guess. Don't literally fill it up. Let me show you guys my so if I come to the login space right now, how you can actually get your referral link, you just go to this space here. You go to profile. So when you go to profile, you copy, as you can see it here, my referral ID is DBOSS, which is DBOS, and I just come to here to my notepad and save up, and that's all. Literally, I am just going to taking you guys like this whole journey. Like let's get into the next one, guys. I don't want to even waste any much time. Let's get into the next one. The next one on my list is actually with Owodili. Now let's log into our Owodili, the Owodili official platform, like a platform. And as you can see here, there are different jobs for you to actually take up right now. Owodili is a platform where you just sign up with 3,000 naira. Literally, roughly everyone that wants to make money online space that have actually jumped on Owodili. But if you haven't, you can actually sign up. Please like this video, subscribe, comment down in the comment section, tell me what you think about all these platforms in the comment section, please, guys. And as you can see, the first job here which is on my screen here is to like an Instagram post. Just to like an Instagram post, you're going to be getting 10 naira, and there are a whole lot of them. If you give a sign up, 350 naira, 15 naira, 10 naira, and there are a whole lot of jobs for you to actually take up or take part in. And as you can see them here, they are actually, so right now if I click on get invite link, it says copied. Literally you just copy ASAP, like copy to my account. And I still go back here and I just paste it here, and I just paste it here, and that's all. So we've gotten two links. All these links, I promise, they are going to be in the description box below. Check them out for yourself to actually sign up on this platform. So literally, the next one on my list is going to be sidegig.ng. Right now, if I open sidegig.ng, all these platforms are simple platforms. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, like to join. Right now, if I come here to join as a freelancer, or you want to actually make money, literally, then you click on start earning. Then as you can see here, you fill in your username, your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, put in that same password again, put in your mobile phone number, and put in your referral ID. And literally, you don't need to put in your referral ID, because if you just click on the description box below, and as you can see here, let me actually log into my account for you to actually see. Oh god, what's going on? Alright, so let's go to the login space. Alright, so I'm logged into my account right now. I don't know what's actually happened. Alright, as you can see here, I'm having 0000. Yeah, sure. And as you can see, because I haven't been like making money online lately on this platform, I have a lot of things where you can actually do so. Literally, let's even do one job right here. Follow on IG or post like. Let's actually like this post on IG. So if I click on view right now, let's show you guys how you can actually do this job. And as you can see here, it says active. Okay, so that means you can actually do the job. Click the link and follow the user on Instagram. Note, do not unfollow this user, so blah blah blah. Okay, Instagram post like on IG. Okay, this person just like the post, so let's click on it and it's going to direct us to IG ASAP. And oh wow, so she's actually like using SideGig. Whoa, one, you can literally just so you can get, you know, literally fast results. So they can actually do it fast for you. And proof of tax, select username. So I don't know why it's wasting my time, guys. Wait, is it that? Okay, so I don't know. So you just fill in your username right here. You put in 27 plus 4 equal to 31. Yeah, I need to fill in my details, my username, and it's not working out. You guys can actually do that for yourself. You can find, I don't want this video to be that long today, and this video literally, and so the next one on my list after sidegig.co, you can actually do Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs was actually Pico workers before, like Sprout Gigs. Oh, let me search for it again. Sprout Gigs. Okay, I think I clicked the wrong thing before. And okay, so this is Sprout Gigs, and let's just go to the sign up space. And this one right now, you are going to be earning in dollars. Let me tell you guys, you are going to be earning in dollars if you're actually on sproutgigs.com. Yeah, so you're gonna be, if you want to earn like minimum of $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 every single day, you can actually come here on Sprout Gigs, and you make more money for yourself. Literally, the real name, you type in your real name, your email address, your password, you confirm your password, your nickname, you select your country, you click I am a worker, and then you fill in, just mark this check boxes. and you click on sign up, and that's all. So right now I have an account, so let's click on login, and click on remember me, put in my details, and then wait for it to actually load up or log me in. Right now, as you can see here, the longer I worked here, sure, I have $0.6, and as you can see here, there are a whole lot of jobs. $1, $1.3 if you can just comment on YouTube video, like comment on our video. New tax, as you can see here, comment our video, you're going to be getting $1.3. And new tax, subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're going to be getting $1. And new tax, sign up for daily inspirations, you're going to be getting $1.5. Comment on an article, $2. So on so forth. Like, there are a whole lot of jobs for you to actually take part here, like a whole lot of jobs for you to actually do here, and you make a whole lot of killing for yourself, you make a whole lot of money for yourself. And literally, as you can see here, use the channel, just subscribe. And I am not here to actually do any job right now. I am here to show you guys jobs for you to actually take part on, or jobs for you to actually do and make money for yourself. All right, so guys, I don't think I will go in any further. I want to actually see how you guys will actually do on this video. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, just comment in the comment section, tell me you love it or something, and I promise I'm going to be doing a part 2 or 3 and even more about this channel. And if it's actually like very lucrative, or you guys actually love this kind of things, then I'm sure to actually make it like a playlist on this channel that I'll be bringing it like maybe every single day, or depending on how you guys actually love it, every single day. Like if you want it every 3 days, every 1 week, just comment in the comment section, tell me what you actually think about this kind of videos. And at least I'll catch you on the next one, guys, and peace.